The construction fight. Well, the construction fight. I am also collaborating with that annoying little fart cousin.
Yeah.
Adonis Cruz. If you might see him in my comments, so please, yeah. Please don't say this copyright credit to him. His channel name is Adonis Cruz.
Tiffany's the part.
Wait, I need to fix this guy. Mama, I'm a queen, mama. Okay, you voice this guy. You do that guy. Do this guy. I'll tell you when I talk. I need to do this. I did it. Okay. Make him say, hey, that was my part.
Hey, that was my part.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was. It was my part.
No, it wasn't. Hey, what the heck happened to him?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
No, you're the worst partner ever.
No.
Make him say, please don't.
Please help.
Make him say, I'm crazy.
I'll kill you.
Where am I? Who are you? I'm your dad. No, I'm not. No, you're not. Yes, I am. Okay, make him say, I wonder what's going on upstairs.
I wonder what's going up upstairs. Might as well just do my job.
Oh, why won't this break? Because you're fat. Come here. Let me in.
No.
Yes.
No. No.
You just say more. You just say no to me.
No. I don't know. No. No. Please don't. Yeah. No.
Oh no. But yeah, credits to that guy.